that's one of the reasons why we talk about this is like we have a lot of carriers that listen to the show that we work with that like this is just a really good best practice to be aware of when you're doing business, right? Where and verifying who you're getting business from. Because the thing I was curious is you said this a moment ago, Edgar, was an absence of malfeasance, right? So I was looking up legal definition of malfeasance, right? To like literally read what that is. And again, this is literally Google, so correct me if I'm wrong, but it's unlawful or wrongful act, right? But misfeasance is neglect, right? And is there a difference? Because in one, if I'm a carrier and I take a load from another carrier, to me, that is at the very least a wrongful act. Maybe not unlawful, but it is certainly not legitimate, I would say, right?
Yeah.
Like,
And that's a good question. I think that's a factual question. Um how what is malfeasance really, and what acts constitute malfeasance, and that's not really defined. But I think that really the if the carrier's not actively doing something, you know, fraudulent or uh, involved with the scam, then I think they do deserve payment. To what extent um, is an omission by the carrier grounds for non-payment is it's really a question for the court or the jury if it gets that far.